Hello, this is Ms. Turpin, Principal at Rootville Elementary School. We are excited to welcome back our students tomorrow, January 5th, 2021, to finish out the 2021 school year. One thing that we are going to do to help keep our students safe is to request that all students wear masks. We are also going to encourage hand washing, using hand sanitizer, and drinking plenty of fluids. Just like in the first semester, we have plenty of water stations available for your child to fill up their water bottle. Masks are expected at RES. Wearing a mask will reduce your child's exposure to all germs and will also greatly decrease their chances of being placed in quarantine due to exposure. What can you do at home? Please check your child's symptoms. If he or she has a fever, please keep them at home. You can call up to the school to speak with Nurse Pollard and she will help you in knowing what to do next. As I said, we are encouraging frequent hand washing, buses and classrooms are cleaned regularly, and masks are encouraged. We are going to start 2021 Lion Strong. Thank you for your help with keeping our students safe, healthy, and in school. Happy New Year, and thank you for the wonderful support that you always provide. Rootville truly has the best parents and community.